My shirt here is my brand, Define Boutique. So you can click the link in my description if you want to support and rock this shirt. It's basically Define Boutique. Describe your style, determine your way. How cute is that, right? The link will be in the description. Super, super cute.
And I still got my money.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. I'm so excited today because I just got a little notification that I'm at 100 subs. I just want to say thank you for everyone who subscribed to my channel, who's been watching my videos, who's been giving me the thumbs up. I just want to say thank you. I can't say thank you enough. 3 weeks, 100 subs. That's what I'm talking about. I really appreciate it. Now, this video I'm about to do is a little Mother's Day unboxing. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I know with all, you know, everything that's going on with COVID-19, it's a little hard to celebrate. But you still have to celebrate that you're a mother, you're phenomenal, you're beautiful, you're a great mom, grandmom, aunt. So happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there. Just happy Mother's Day, and please be safe. And yes, let's get into this video. So for Mother's Day, I got my very first YSL bag. I'm so excited. Like Kevin Hart say, so excited. I've been looking at this bag for a while. I wanted it, been thinking about it, and I had put it on my wish list, and my husband seen my wish list, and it came in the mail, and I'm so excited he got this for me. So let's open it up. And he said he got a really good deal on it. I didn't order it, he ordered it. He got a really good deal on it. I think this bag goes for $19.70 or $19.50, one of them. And he got it, I think maybe $350 bonus back. So he said I have gift cards worth $350. And he ordered this from Bergdorf and Goodman. This is my first time ever. Did I pronounce that right? Bergdorf and Goodman. It's the first time we ever order from them. I usually get, you know, my stuff from like Saks New Market. But he said it was, I guess it probably was like a Mother's Day special. Get this out of here. Came in another brown box. Let's see. Okay, so it should come with a little dust bag. Yes, Saint Laurent. This receipt is in here. Oh, y'all, oh my goodness. She is a beauty. Yes, she is. Beautiful. Look at this, y'all. Wow. Oh, I love it. Yes, can y'all see that? Look. And it's with the black hardware. Oh yes. Wow, she is a beauty. Oh, here's the receipt. Yes, it's $19.50. But he said he got it for, he got a gift card. So okay, here's a little card inside. This is like the little Saint Laurent card, the care, like how you take care of it, comes with that. And you know, the proof that it's officially, you know, it's official YSL Lulu, small Lulu bag. And I had my eye on this for a while. Ooh, the chain, you could do it crossbody, or you could do 2 straps. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear it out when we get out from lockdown. But how cute is she, y'all? Isn't she adorable? Lulu. And it's super soft. Oh, and the snap is like a magnet. You hear it? She is super, super cute. Happy Mother's Day to me. Thanks, babe. It's so, so cute. It's very roomy. You got 2 pockets. It has like a divider in the middle. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like a little divider in the middle with a zipper. And it has another little compartment. And this is very spacious for it to be considered a small. Very, very spacious. Let me see what I can put in here. Oh, here's my phone. I'll put my phone in here. Oh, plenty of space. It can fit in the center. Yeah, it can fit in the center too. Okay. Plenty of space. My Lulu. Let me get a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple mod shots with this. And let's see how it looks. This is the shoulder length. I should have worn a white shirt so you can really see it. You could do crossbody. Oh, and it's super cute. It's perfect. It sits just right. And I'm 5'4", so crossbodies would be too long. But this is just perfect. It has like the little leather strap at the top. Yes, this is so cute. How cute is that? Where's the shoulder bag? Long shoulder bag. For short. I think I'm probably gonna wear it as a crossbody. You know, because I'm always dressed super casual. But if I go out on a date night, I can double it up. But I'm really feeling this crossbody. I'm in love with her, y'all. This is gonna be my summer go-to bag. For real, summer go-to bag. But that is the end of my video. I wanted to say thank y'all again. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much. Y'all just don't know. For getting me to 100 subs in 3 weeks. I really, really, really appreciate it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go enjoy my Mother's Day, and I hope you enjoy yours. But before I get out of here, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that sub button, give me a thumbs up, comment, share my video, and Syd signing off. Peace.